Welcome to Mama Ondo TV, your #1 channel for African royalty, history and culture. Every year, thousands of Ondo sons and daughters across America gather to celebrate one event that reminds them of home: Ekimogun Celebration in the DMV. It's more than a party. It's a reunion of culture, tradition, and community spirit, celebrating the rich heritage of the Ondo Kingdom right here in the heart of the United States. Ekimogun is the annual celebration of the people of Ondo Kingdom, a time to honor our ancestors, our culture, and our achievements. The word Ekimogun comes from the name of the people, the Ondo indigenes, known for their rich traditions, strength, and unity. In Ondo town, the festival brings the entire community together. In the diaspora, especially in the DMV area, it connects the heart of Nigeria to the heart of America. As guests arrive, the excitement fills the air. Men and women proudly wear the colors of Ondo, rich also oak, lace, and beads. You can see old friends reconnecting, families taking pictures, and children learning about their roots. The hall is alive with laughter, music, and the sound of home. The event begins with a prayer giving thanks for life, peace, and progress. Then, the national anthem and the Ondo anthem echo proudly through the hall. Organizers and dignitaries take the stage to welcome everyone from elders to young professionals, all united by one purpose: to celebrate Ondo pride. After the performances, it's time to reflect on community achievements. Leaders of the Ondo community in the DMV share words of wisdom about unity, development, and preserving our traditions abroad. Outstanding individuals are recognized for their contributions in education, culture, business, and service. It's a moment of pride for every Ondo indigene watching. No celebration is complete without food, and here you'll find all the favorites: pounded yam, ifo riro, jollof rice, fried plantain, and of course, the famous Ondo stew. One of the highlights every year is the Ekimogun Fashion Parade. Also oak, lace, agbada, geli, each outfit tells a story of pride and elegance. Designers from both Nigeria and the US showcase creativity that bridges tradition and modern trends. The celebration also focuses on the future, the youth. Young Ondo-Americans participate through cultural games, dance competitions, and poetry. They may have been born abroad, but through Ekimogun, they stay connected to their identity. More than anything, the Ekimogun celebration in the DMV reminds everyone that distance does not erase identity. It's a living proof that no matter where Ondo people go, the bond of culture and unity travels with them, from the streets of Ondo town to the halls of Maryland, Virginia, and Washington, D.C. This is the beauty of Ekimogun: unity, heritage, and celebration. From Mama Ondo TV, we say thank you to the Ondo community in the DMV for keeping the spirit alive. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories celebrating the African spirit around the world.